Hi again. Our chart for today will be the Theta Token, and we're looking at monthly chart. First of all, I will mark this order block here, this one here. This is the demand zone, as you can see, because this candle took liquidity from the previous candle, and then after that, price exploded to the above. And as you can see here, we have the first reaction, which sometimes it's a trap, and it went also. We have a very good reaction, and then price went back to take the liquidity from early buyers, and then now it went up, and I expect price maybe to go down to this area to make like this pattern here, which is like head and shoulder. This here, this, and then maybe like this, and then it will explode to the above. This is my also only my expectation. I will remove drawings. And we also have gaps here, as you can see. Here is a very good gap. It's on monthly chart. And we have also a smaller one here, as you can see. And we can also buy from the order block. Of course, buying from the order block is the best, but it's also include the risk of missing the trade, because sometimes it may come back maybe to this gap and then go up from here, and sometimes it's like will complete the head and neck or the Quasimodo pattern, which will be like this, and then touch another touch here around point 0.72, and then to the above. Where I will be looking at for targets, I will look first. Let us see here what happened on 21 or 2020, I mean, and the year. And we had the same pattern, which is this one here, an order block that took liquidity from previous low and then exploded to the above, and then went back to retrace and then went up. So we can draw like Fibonacci here. And as you can see, it will be, of course, better to recognize on month and on weekly chart maybe, because this wick here is a retracement. So it's better to see it on weekly chart here. So price exploded to the above and then went back. It didn't went to the order block. So it went only to the 61 level of Fibonacci and maybe a little bit lower. And then it went up to the extension, a very high extension actually, which is 30 extension, a Fibonacci extension. So if we look here, and if history repeats itself, of course, previous performance is not a guarantee for future performance. But if we have the same pattern here, so we can expect price maybe to go back to like 0.38. I mean, I have reversed my Fibonacci, so it's here. It's like a 61 level of Fibonacci. So maybe here, this gap here is a very good gap. So 0.8, I think, is a very good price to enter. And then our target, if history repeats itself, will be 30, which is around 20. Well, let's take our target before that, maybe around 19, and I will be happy if I bought it at around 0.8 and sold it at 18. It's a very, very good risk to reward. And we can also take all these drawings and look and draw a very huge Fibonacci here. Sorry, this not this one. um, this one on this in all this chart, and if we draw a Fibonacci here, so we have a retracement to these levels here, and maybe our target will be the next one, which will be the 1.23. This is the safest target. Of course, it can go way up, but it will take maybe years. So we don't have this patience. So it's also given us that level of 20. So I think 20 or 19 to be more safe is a very good area to take profit. And as I said, if our entry is around zero point 0.8, let's say here, and let's put our stop loss around, let's say, zero point 0.4, and our target, as we said, will be 19. So our risk to reward ratio is around 48, which is, and we if we take it like to 20, so our risk to reward will be around 50, which is amazing. So that's it for today. Follow for more.